Hey, what's up everybody? This is Brandon with Yakman Fishing with your fishing tip today.
Yeah, oh yeah. There we go. Whoa! Another bad day. Another bad day. Flipping and a sliding. Playing domino. Lefting and a riding. Ain't a crime, you know.
Today we're tying the loop knot. The first step of the loop knot is on your right hand you have your tag in. So then you're gonna do a simple overhand knot. So your tag end's still here on the right hand side. I'm gonna go through the loop and pinch it at the top there. Next step is you're going to tie it around the line. The amount of times you tie around the main line depends on the line diameter. You're going to pass it through the inside of this hole. You're going to pull it out the back. So if I pull more towards the tag end, my loop will be smaller. If I pull towards the loop, my loop is going to get bigger. So the idea is you want to pull from both sides and get the desired length that you want to get for your loop. That's how your knot should look.